Hello people! So, yeah, we have done some hobby today, painting stuff. We are now outside and we are playing in the snow! And you see two of our kids there building a snow cave, and then we have, she is eating a snowflake. Alright, so yeah, here is a little bit pictures of miniatures I've been painting. And yeah, the lockdown and the quarantine is going on all around the world. Du må gå på den här sidan. Du måste här. And she wanted to show. Whoopsie daisy. she wanted to show the snow in her mouth. So yeah. So how are everybody managing? We're staying inside. We are not. We are staying outside, but keeping like 1 kilometer apart from anybody else. so is that. Ska vi se det på engelska? Ja. All right. So, all right. I think we should take a little spin on this one. Är du klar? Ska vi köra? All right. Are you ready? Är du klar?
Okay.